Wake up, Emma! The school bus will be here soon!
Go away, Roni. I am not Emma. I am a sleepy bear.
Look at you. You look like a real student now, Emma.
Mommy, do I look smart or do I look like a blue penguin?
You look very smart, my little penguin.
Eat this genius pancake, Emma. It will make you the smartest girl in class.
Will it help me remember where the bathroom is, Daddy?
I put your favorite cookies inside. And a big hug, too.
Can I eat the cookies before the teacher says hello?
Pencils, sharp. Notebook, clean.
Lucky eraser smells like strawberries, Roni.
Careful! Don't fly away! This bag is heavier than you!
Help! The backpack is eating me! It is too big!
When you meet the teacher, look them in the eye and say, "Nice to meet you."
Can I just give her a high five instead, Daddy?
The bus is here! Run, Emma, run! It's adventure time!
Wait, my shoes, are they on the right feet?
Welcome aboard, little one. Ready for your first day?
Yes! Roni, please don't let the backpack fall on me.
Go, my little hero. Don't forget your poor, lonely father.
Stop it, dear. She is only going to school, not to the moon.
Look, Roni, the trees are flying past the window.
No, silly, the trees are standing. The bus is moving fast.
Is this the school? It looks like a giant castle for kings and queens.
Welcome to the kingdom of books, Princess Emma.
What are you doing, dear? We are supposed to go home.
Shh, I am a secret agent. I must protect the little student.
Keep moving, Emma. Stay close. This hallway is very long.
My shoes are squeaking, Roni. Squeak, squeak, squeak. Is this my classroom? Do I have to sit on that big black box?
No! That is a piano! This is the music room. Let's run!
Hello, Mr. Giant. Do you know where room 1A is?
I'm not a giant, little lady. Room 1A is just around the corner.
There! Now everyone knows you are Emma.
Wait, my name looks funny. Why is the E on the floor?
Bingo! This is it! Room 1A, the kindergarten kingdom.
My tummy is doing the butterfly dance again, Roni. Oh, I see a dollhouse and a giant teddy bear. I like this place. But will they like me, Roni?
You are the bravest girl in the world, Emma. Go in and be a star.
Okay, I am a star. A smart blue penguin star.
Okay, Emma. I have to go to room 4B for my big math class. See you at lunch.
Wait, what if I forget my name again, Roni?
Hello there. You must be Emma. We have been waiting for you.
Hello, teacher.
I am Emma, and I have a lucky light eraser.
Nice to meet you, Madam Teacher. I am ready for the kingdom of books.
What a polite little student. Come and meet your friends.
Target is inside the room. She is talking to the giant leader and the teacher.
She's not a leader. She's a teacher. Come down before you fall. This is your desk, Emma. Look, it has your favorite animal on it.
A blue penguin, just like me. This is my perfect home.
Hi, I am Leo. My dinosaur is hungry. Do you have any cookies?
I have an apple. Can a dinosaur eat an apple, Leo?
Let's fix your name, Emma. Now the E is standing on its feet.
Yay, now I can read my name without standing on my head.
Wait, everything looks so small. Emma is a tiny ant now.
Turn them around, you silly spy. We are going to get caught.
I am going to draw my house and a giant school bus.
I am drawing a dinosaur eating a school bus. Rah! Look at her! She is already making friends. Good job, Princess Emma. Now I really need to find my math room. It's getting late.
Is that a fire alarm? Should we run, Leo?
No, Emma, that is the cookie bell. It is time to eat.
My backpack is so heavy. I think I am carrying a whole picnic.
My T-Rex is hungry too. Let's find a sunny spot.
Agent Dad is hungry. Mom, do we have any spy sandwiches left?
Eat your lunch, dear. Stop acting like a ninja in the bushes.
Oh no! My lunchbox is a locked treasure chest! I can't open it!
Don't worry, my dinosaur will help you with his sharp teeth. Roar! Dino power! Open sesame! Open the box!
Wait, Leo! Don't let the dinosaur eat my sandwich!
Do you need a professional box opener, Princess Emma?
Roni, save my cookies! They are trapped inside!
There you go. And look, Mom wrote you a secret note. It says,
You are a star, Emma, but stars don't eat apples, Roni. I will give you 1 cookie for 1 piece of cheese. Is it a deal?
yes, a deal! This is the best lunch ever!
Sir, why are you hiding in the flowers? Are you looking for a ball?
I am a professional bush inspector. Everything looks green.
School is better than a picnic, Roni. I have a friend and a dinosaur.
I told you, you are a pro now. But don't eat the dinosaur.
Time to clean up, everyone. Let's put our things away.
Clean up, clean up! Even the lucky lion is helping!
Today's mission is draw your family. Who do you love most?
I love everyone. Can I draw my family and a giant pizza too? Oh no, I need red for Daddy's face, but my red is broken.
Do you want to borrow my dino green? It is a very strong color.
Is that plant walking? Sir, please stop moving.
I am not a man. I am a very tall tree. Don't mind me.
Roni always wears a red hat. If I don't draw the hat, he will be bald.
A bald Roni. That is funny, Emma.
And here is Daddy. He is a secret agent hiding in the flowers. He looks very sneaky, doesn't he? Leo, can I please borrow your blue? I need it for my school dress.
Sure, Emma. Friends share their colors. Here you go.
Is your mommy a queen, Emma? She looks very royal.
Yes, she is the queen of cookies and sandwiches.
2 plus 2 is 4, but what is 5 plus 5? I hope Emma is having an easier time than me.
Look, Leo, my family's finished. We are all together new school.
Good job, Emma. Now let's draw a space rocket.
Great job today, everyone. Time to go home and see your families.
Leo, the bell is singing. It's time to go.
Yeah, let's go. Emma, will you come back tomorrow? We need to finish the space rocket.
I promise, Leo. Bring your green dinosaur tomorrow.
Okay.
How was your first day, Princess? Did you survive the kingdom of books?
It was amazing, Roni. I am a drawing master now. Look, Roni, that bush has shoes, a walking tree.
Oh no, Dad is still playing secret agent.
Come out, Agent 007. The mission is over. Emma is here.
Ha ha! I was just checking the quality of these flowers.
Look, Mommy, I drew you as a queen and Daddy is a sneaky bush.
Hey! Why am I a bush? I want to be a king too.
I am so proud of you, my brave girl. You did it.
School is fun, Mom. Can we go again, like, right now?
Wait until you see the math homework, Emma. It's not all drawing.
Math? Is that a new game with numbers, Roni? Goodbye, Castle School. See you tomorrow.
See? I told you there was nothing to be scared of.
My first day was the best day. I love my new school. And I love my secret agent daddy too.